Hi, hello, hello, hi. Welcome back to another episode. Let's get straight into it. We're exploring the startup ecosystem in Ghana. If you don't know what this is about, this is what it's about. So let's see the innovation that we have. Alright, so first of all, we have WeWire. So the thing about WeWire is, I think it's I don't know if I should say it's a Ghanaian startup, but they are not registered in Ghana, right? They didn't get registered in Ghana, they registered elsewhere. I think it's either Dubai or the USC. It's a limited company registered in British Columbia, Canada. Oh, okay. So they registered in Canada, right? But I know the founder is Ghanaian. So yeah, I mean, there are options to actually register your business in different countries as opposed to registering in Ghana, right? So, well, we are still going to feature WeWire because it was born out of Ghana. Okay, so WeWire, cross-border payments, smart invoicing solutions for businesses. Yeah, okay, so those two, right? Yeah, okay, so trusted and supported by all these people, right? Alright. Powering payments on a global scale. 1 billion plus in transaction volume, 3,000 plus businesses registered, 80 plus countries. How long have they been in operation? I wonder. Let's go to the about page. Mission, yeah, so management team. Yeah, exactly. Ibede Zagani, Desmond Yamado, and Victoria Ajayi. I guess, I hope. Okay. Docs, pricing, register your business. So, okay, they have business registry. Oh, First Base, right? So, I guess it's a partnership with First Base, right? So, if you actually want to register your business in America, you can use certain services like First Base, for instance, or you could use Stripe Atlas. Personally, I think Stripe Atlas might be the best because, well, would it be the best? Might be a better option because after registering you also get like straight access to the Stripe platform. I mean, so far as you register your business in America, you have access to the Stripe platform, right? But if you use Stripe Atlas, you get straight access to the Stripe platform and everything is basically just integrated, right? And you also get some credits with Stripe and a few other services that can help you. The only issue is I think it's a $500 sign up fee, right? 500, I think it's 500. I don't know the pricing for First Base. Oh, okay, right here. Okay, wait, actually let me see. Start your US expansion, yeah, firstbase.io. Okay, and then yes, it starts at $399. Alright, so I guess it's a partnership with First Base. App scams. Let me check that. Reimbursement rules. Claim submissions. Okay, so I guess if you get scammed, you can contact me for a reimbursement, right? Let's see their blog. So cross-border invoicing. Okay, so let me check something. Let me see when their very first blog was uploaded. And see, wow, they are uploading like almost every day. 27th, 30th, 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 30th. Okay, so a lot of blog posts on this. So I guess maybe this is when they were launching the platform and to help with SEO and stuff like that. They made a lot of blog posts, right? Their last blog post was on May 30th. Nice, interesting. Which is basically yesterday. Okay. They are not a payment processor like what I know is they are not a payment processor like Paystack or Hubtail or the others where you can have your business and then you integrate the payment processor and then for every item you are selling, you can use the payment processor to process the payment for that item, right? They don't work like that. They are mainly for cross-border payments and receipts, right? So should I say they are more like PayPal? I don't know if I can compare them to PayPal. They are okay, so they are specifically for cross-border payments, mainly for businesses, right? I know PayPal is mainly for, transferring money, which is also the same case here. And it's not necessary. Is it cross-border? I think you could see it's cross-border. Obviously, there are some countries that are not represented on PayPal, and WeWire does represent some of these countries, like Ghana, for instance, right? You can also open virtual accounts for your business. Interesting. Oh yeah, and I also saw virtual cards, right? Okay, so you can open a virtual account and have a virtual card, such that you don't have your main card link. So if you want to be paying for services online, maybe you're paying for service, you're paying for cloud storage, you're paying for other subscriptions and stuff like that. You could have the virtual cards and then just use that. Then if you want to cancel the service or something, just terminate the card, stuff like that, right? So if you are in Ghana, you have the accounts with WeWire. You can have customers in America or Britain or any other place, and you create an invoice for your account. You create an invoice, send it to them, they make payment, and then the payment is deposited into your account on WeWire, right? So for instance, if you wanted to accept dollar payments, they wouldn't have to transfer it to you and then it will be sent to you in cedis. You can get the payment in actual dollars on your WeWire account and then use that for whatever you want to use it for, right? So that's WeWire. If you're interested in using their service, I think you can go ahead and check them out. Their website looks quite cool. So that's WeWire, mainly for cross-border payments for businesses. So check them out if you're a business and you have clients in other countries and you'd like to be sending and receiving payments across borders, right? That's WeWire. Next up, we have Vacancies in Ghana. So the funny thing about these people is they are actually owned by Shark Express, right? If I'm not mistaken, because if you actually go to, when I was checking out Shark Express the other time in one of the previous videos, you'll notice that Shark Express are the people who made the Vacancies app. If you check the logo for the Vacancies app, it's the same logo for the Vacancies in Ghana platform. So I guess it's the same people, right? So let's go to the About Us before we actually check anything else. Let's go to the About Us and see if we can find that link. Our mission, our vision, okay. 50,000 plus jobs posted, nice. 100 to 500 plus applicants per post. 5,000 plus job matches. 2 million candidates. Wow. 2 million. How many people are in Ghana? Okay, so there are 33 million people in Ghana as of 2023. Interesting. And they have 2 million candidates, 2 million plus candidates. Interesting. Okay, so on the Shark Express platform, you also don't have any links to the Vacancies application. That's interesting. Is it that they don't want people to know that they are the ones behind the Vacancies application? Anyway, so the Vacancies in Ghana platform is actually a platform to help people find job opportunities in Ghana. So job search made easy, find a dream job or hire top talent. Okay, so I guess businesses can also come on board, and I don't know if they just post find job now. Sales, finance, operations, software, relationship officer. Okay, so I guess they are more of like a middleman. So I guess they post job opportunities, as you can see here, right? Finance manager, cashier, 1,200 per month, I guess. Full-time, right? Accountant, 3,000 per month, I guess. So they post job opportunities that I can apply to. So let's actually see this one. Let's see this one and see if you can apply. Salary, 3,000 a month. There's the region, there's the location, job overview. Okay, you can also share the job. Interesting. So let's see apply now. Would I have to sign up or something? Oh no, it's just a Google form. Okay, so is it okay? So let me go back. Let me check another one. Let's see cashier. and apply now. Is it also a Google form? Yeah, it's also a Google form. Interesting. Okay, so I guess maybe, yeah, they are more of like a middleman, right? They connect job seekers to employers. Yeah, so it looks like they are more of like a middleman where they connect job seekers, find a job. They connect job seekers to employers, and they connect employers to job seekers. So I guess they take the job description or the job opportunity, the job offer from the employer, and then they post it on their platform. Then you can apply through their platform. And for the application, I guess they use Google Forms for that. So you submit all your information. So yeah, the information is here, and then you can submit all your information. Alright, so if you are searching for a job offer, you can come to Vacancies in Ghana. Software engineer jobs, customer service, law, accounting, finance, sales, administration, operations, right? So you can definitely come here, check them out, and then find some very interesting job offers, right? The platform is there, Vacancies in Ghana. If you're interested in finding some job offers you can apply to, definitely check them out, right? Up next is Buildlet.io. So these guys don't actually have a website, but I know about what they are doing, and I actually find it quite interesting. So you notice here we crowdfund real estate projects, right? And I mean, these are the videos. You can check them out for yourself and go through the videos to find out more about what they are working on. But basically what they are working on is, or the idea, the concept is that people can come together, pool their finances together, put their resources together, right? Contribute money together, and then all that money is used to get or acquire an apartment complex, or basically build and set up their own apartment complex. And then when people come in and rent a room, right, rent an apartment, the profits that comes in from people renting is actually shared back to the people who made the contributions, right? So whatever you contribute will determine your contribution as compared to the total contribution will determine the percentage of the total profit that you get back once the project is complete, right? So that's Buildlet.io. I think what you're doing is really cool, and this is the founder, right? This is the founder of Buildlet.io. They are still in their early stages. Let's see, 2023. Okay, interesting. So it looks like they started in 2023, but they are still in their early stages, right? I mean, they don't even have a website yet. So yeah, but I still think what they are working on is really cool. So I still wanted to feature them. So we crowdfund real estate projects, right? So if you're interested in investing in real estate and you don't have enough money to actually do a real investment yourself, you can check them out, and instead of having to have like a huge lump sum of money to throw into the real estate sector, you can just contribute whatever amount you have, like 1,000 cedis, 2,000 cedis, and they will handle all the infrastructure, logistics, and stuff like that. And at the end of the day, you'll be able to get your profits back, right? I don't know how far along they are in their journey, but you can just, for now, you can just check them out and just stay up to date with what they are working on. And then if you are not very comfortable with joining in now, you can just stay up to date, and when they are a little bit more established, you can check them out, right? So those are the startups we're looking at today, and I hope you found some very interesting startup you could definitely try utilizing if you want to, right? Or just stay up to date with what they are working on. We looked at WeWire, we looked at Vacancies in Ghana, which looks like a Shark Express initiative, and we looked at Buildlet.io, right? So if you're interested in them, give them a follow on their socials, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.